Hey y'all, so we're back for another walkthrough Wednesday at the ADU build here in Indianapolis. We're really excited to bring this to fruition for our clients. And so before I get into the walkthrough, let me kind of give you a recap of why we're down here and what we're doing for our clients. And so we're building a 720 square foot ADU. That's right, 720 square foot of awesomeness. We're bringing in a full kitchen, a full bathroom, full laundry, a fully dedicated bedroom with a closet, living space, the full shebang. And so what this will eventually allow our clients to do is live independently, have that privacy and care, all while having it all on our property here. And so a lot of wins for our clients. And so let's go ahead and get into the walkthrough. And so last time we did the framing walkthrough. So frame is pretty much complete. It is complete. And we finally got the sewer line installed. We went out to the street. We tapped the sewer main. We did an open cut trench all the way to the ADU. So sewer's installed. And then next week we'll be installing water. So we'll keep you updated on that progress as well. We don't have to go out to the street for that one. Luckily, it's right here in our yard, so it's not as strenuous. Sometimes they're out in the street and they're a little difficult to get to, but not this one here. And so what you'll see is the dirt's been mounded. And a lot of clients like, Dwight, why did you leave the dirt mounded? Well, the dirt's gonna settle back out over time, and then what we'll come back in and do once the dirt settles back out, a couple of rains, we'll come back in and grade it back flat. There's a clean out that's hidden here, and there's a clean out back there as well. And we also, I don't know if we saw, well, we didn't. I'm just trying to think about what we saw in the last episode or the last walkthrough, more like it. We trenched in electrical for the ADU, and what we have to do is backfeed the house with power because power's coming right over the ADU, and so we want to have power come directly to the ADU, and it's going to backfeed the house with power, so we don't have a bunch of electrical lines kind of going every which way back to the house. It's just one connection. And so, yeah, there's not much else to show you out here, so let's go ahead and jump on the inside, why don't we? All right, you can see we got a slight spaghetti factory right here in the ADU. Spaghetti factory, I'm just saying that. Well, it's fitting, right? We have undercooked noodles, we have undercooked electrical out here. And so I'm just saying that because we still need to land our electrical inside of all the boxes. But right now, this is what it looks like sometimes and when you're roughing in all your mechanicals. When I say mechanicals, I'm talking about your electrical system, your plumbing system, and your HVAC system. Speaking of HVAC systems, we got our HVAC roughed in, and we're in the process of roughing in our electrical. Next week, we got plumbing coming in, we got windows coming in next, doors, and then we're gonna put siding on and roof. So it's coming together quickly, so stay tuned, more coming soon.